In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Pepperstone. If you ever need help with your account, trading platforms, deposits, or withdrawals, or anything else, Pepperstone offers 4 reliable ways to reach support: phone, email, live chat, and secure messages from your client area. I'll walk you through when to use each option and how to get the fastest response. Let's start with phone support. If you prefer to speak directly with a person, head to Pepperstone's official website and open the contact page. Choose your region to see the local and international numbers available to you. Phone support runs 24 hours on weekdays and for much of the weekend, roughly 18 hours, through different lines. Calling is best for time-sensitive issues like platform outages, urgent trade execution questions, or anything that needs real-time troubleshooting. Before you dial, have your account ID ready, note the platform you're using, collect any order or transaction references, and prepare a short summary of the problem. This helps the team verify you quickly and route your call to the right specialist. For non-urgent matters or when you want a written record, email support is a great choice. Use the general customer support address listed on Pepperstone's website. This inbox handles most account queries and troubleshooting. In your message, include the name on your account ID, a clear description of the issue, and screenshots if relevant. Be concise but thorough. For security, never include passwords, full card numbers, or two-factor codes. If you need quick answers without making a call, use live chat on the Pepperstone website. Look for the chat icon in the bottom corner of the page. Live chat is often the fastest route for urgent questions, like login problems or unexpected behavior in your trading platform. You can usually request a transcript at the end so you have a record of the conversation and any instructions provided. Finally, if you're already logged in, use the secure client area. Open the support or message center and submit a detailed ticket. Because it's linked to your account, the team can view relevant details securely and follow up more efficiently. Include step-by-step notes, dates and times, and any order or transaction references. Responses typically arrive within a few hours to a day, depending on your region and current workload. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates, and check your spam folder just in case. Whichever method you choose, always use the official channels listed on Pepperstone's website, and never share sensitive security details. If one channel is busy, try another, and provide enough context up front to speed up the resolution. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you connect with support quickly and confidently.